Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to use R for the Holdout method for the logistic regression model. R is easy to use for partitioning the data, estimating models with the training set and driving the necessary cross-validation measures. On the screen you see the spam dataset. This dataset is composed of 500 spam and legitimate emails with the following relevant variables. Spam is equal to 1 if the email is spam, 0 otherwise. The number of recipients is recipients, the number of hyperlinks and its hyperlinks, and the number of characters in the message is characters. So we are going to build a logistic regression model in which spam is going to be the response and recipient, hyperlink and characters are going to be the predictors. Then we are going to use the holdout method to compare the accuracy rates of logistic regression model for spam using the first 375 observations for training and the remaining 125 observations for validation. So first let's open an R script. First we are going to set our working directory and then we are going to import spam data and label it my data. So my data is equal to read.csv spam.csv and then control enter. Now we have 500 observations of 5 variables. We partition the sample into training and validation sets and label them T data and V data respectively. So T data is equal to my data 1 to 375 and then comma, and we can copy this now. And this time it's going to be V data representing validation starting from 376 to 500 and then control enter. We use the training set T data to estimate the logistic regression. So here we can call the logistic regression as our model, or just type it logistic, is equal to GLM and our response is spam and then recipients plus hyperlinks plus characters and family is equal to binomial link is equal to logit, and then data is our T data and then control enter. Now we have estimated our model. Next, we use the estimates to make predictions for validation data and then convert them into a binary prediction. Finally, we compute the accuracy rate in the validation set. So let's do the prediction. Pred is equal to predict logit or logistic V data prediction for validation and then type is equal to response. And then control enter. Then we are going to round these predictions. Binary is equal to round pred. And next we are going to find the accuracy rate. Let's call this accuracy rate is equal to 100 times mean V data $sign spam is equal to binary. So we are trying to find the data in which the spam column in validation data set is equal to binary. Then you are going to get all these numbers average and multiply by 100 to get the accuracy rate and then control enter. Now you see that accuracy rate is 68%. So our model predicts 68% of the data correctly. This is how you can perform holdout method for logistic regression using R. Thank you for watching.